Hi, a quick video on how to remove the door panel on a 2013 VW Passat. There are these hooks kind of things that it's a 10 millimeter that you have to make it straight to go through that hole. You have to remove, of course, this trim, which is, there's a video on YouTube how to do that. It's pretty simple. You got two of the same thing underneath here, one here and one here. Once you remove that, and there's one bolt T30 right there that you can remove this panel. Pretty simple. You just pry it from here. You see this spot right there? You just pry it from here, it just pop out. Once you take all of those out, then work your way in from up down here. Once I use this tool, which is an amazing tool. I bought it from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link on the description. And once you do this one, then there is this panel that holds the mirror. What I'm trying to do is trying to remove replace the mirror. The mirror is broken on that piece, as you see, is broken. I got another mirror from eBay, cheap, same color. I was lucky to find the same silver color. So once you remove that one, then you have like a 8 millimeter special German tools that you use one of these. If you don't have it, I put the link in this description that you can get it from Amazon. It's pretty cheap. I hope this video helps you guys. And once you remove that one, then you have one clip that's wire goes through here and here, and it clips right down there. But the clip, you just have to, as you see, you just have to pull this right, tap out, and then push this one and release. That's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.